So what's up guys, welcome back to Jacked In, and today I want to be giving you my number one tip on how to rank your gig on page one fast. And how fast? Within 24 hours or less. Yes, that's right, I said 24 hours or less. Get your gig on page one starting from today. So as you can see, this is definitely working for myself. I'm getting lots and lots of orders and lots of impressions. These are some new gigs that I've put out literally 2 or 3 days ago. They're already getting impressions, they're already getting clicks, by means of the technique I'm going to show you today. So why are impressions and clicks important? Impressions and clicks are actually very important because they tell the Fiverr algorithm that your audience is engaging with your gig, and therefore they'll move. If that is happening, they'll move your gig up to the top of the front page, and essentially what that means for you guys is that you will get more orders by implementing this technique. Now I'm going to talk you through this step by step, so you can also rank your gig on page one within, like I said, the next 24 hours. So let's jump straight in. So the first thing you want to do is download Easy Auto Refresh. Easy Auto Refresh. And this is a Chrome extension, and this is what it will look like. Easy Auto Refresh. Oh, I've already got it installed. So what you want to do is just add that to your Chrome, and it will show up. It will show up right here. Right here. So next thing you want to do is let's log out. Let's log out first of all. I'm going to log out, and what we are going to do is search Fiverr for your gig. So let's find my gig first. Do expert jungle scout research Amazon FBA. Then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll through. Obviously my gig's showing up right here because I'm already ranking. You might have to search a few pages before you find it, but once you find your gig, what you are going to do is you're going to click on it. So there's your gig. Here it is. Here's mine. So after you downloaded the Easy Auto Refresh from Google Chrome, you are going to download Hotspot Shield, which is a VPN. And the reason why you want to do that is so your Fiverr account doesn't get banned, because this will all become clear in just a moment. So let me show you how the Easy Auto Refresh works first. So you click on here, you find your Easy Auto Refresh, you click on that, then you put the refresh time as, say, I'm going to put it on for 10 seconds for now, but you want to set it to about 60 seconds, if not a minute and a half, so that Fiverr doesn't get suspicious by the amount of clicks and impressions you're getting in such a short space of time. And this is the basis of how it works. So it refreshes your gig, giving you more impressions and more clicks. There we go. It's refreshing right now. And see that? In another 10 seconds, it's going to do it again. And that's telling Fiverr that people are clicking your gig. There you go. It's happening again. That people are actually clicking your gig and and viewing your gig, and it will actually boost your ranking up. Now, let's pause that for a sec. Like I said, when you do this, you want to set it to around 60 seconds to a minute and a half, so so that Fiverr doesn't get suspicious. Now, this is where the hotspot comes into play. The reason why you're connecting your hotspot is because if you're getting all these auto refreshes and you're viewing your gig from one server, from one IP address, then Fiverr will also get suspicious. So what you want to do is you want to just connect to the VPN. You want to download that first of all. So you go on to Hotspot Shield, hotspot shield, and that hides your IP address. This is a VPN. It hides your IP address so that Fiverr sees the traffic coming from elsewhere. For example, here we're in America right now, or that's what Fiverr sees anyway. So you get your hotspot shield, you click that, you download it. Of course, I've already got it downloaded, but it's a relatively simple process. You just download it and let it run, open it up, and set it. After you've set it and after it's running, what you want to do is you want to go back onto here and get your easy auto refresh back up, set it to 60 seconds or even 120, press start, and just let it run. Just let it run. So open up your gigs, set the extension to 60 seconds or 120, and just let them run overnight and start ranking. And what that's going to do for you guys is going to keep refreshing, keep getting your clicks, keep getting your impressions. Then eventually it's going to push your gig from the first page, second page, all the way up to the top right here. Here's some clones that I've done literally like two or 3 days ago. 1, 2, 3, and they're already on the first page. As you can see, page 1, they're already up there. So this technique definitely works and will get you lots and lots of orders so that you can start making money off Fiverr. So hopefully you liked the content. If you did, perhaps consider subscribing. I will be putting out a lot more content on how to rank your gig on the first page and how to generally make money offline, off Fiverr, on Fiverr should I say. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the content and stay locked in for the next video, which will be out in around a week or so.